In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use AI and automation to automatically repurpose your videos into an Instagram story without you having to do any extra work. Basically, if you don't know what an Instagram story is already, it's an in-app feature with Instagram and it only lasts 24 hours. So it's more like a video notification that comes in the vertical format. And when you post a story, a colorful ring appears around your profile picture, telling your followers they can tap on your profile photo to see what you've just posted. Instagram stories are usually a way for people to see behind the scenes and more intimate videos with their followers so that they can feel that daily relationship with them going back and forth multiple times. By posting Instagram stories to your Instagram account, you can see an increase in reach and engagement just because people like to see your daily stories and see what you're up to. Also, it's a lot, but we're recommended to post between 1 to 7 stories each and every single day. So if you are a marketer or you have a business or you're a content creator, you're trying to keep up with this expectation amongst a bunch of different platforms, you're probably lacking in this category. So this is why we are excited to announce that we now have Instagram stories added into your workflow, and I'm going to be showing you that right now. So first, if you haven't already, you need to make sure that you have your Instagram connected and whatever source content that you want connected as well. In most cases, people will be using TikTok, so you want to make sure that your TikTok and your Instagram account are both connected. So if you already have them connected, then you're ready to go for this step. If you do not have either of these connected, you need to just simply click add a new connection, and you can select your source of where you want your TikTok or your video to be started from, and then obviously your destination will be Instagram. Once connected, we'll just go to the workflows tab, and this is where we can start our video to Instagram story workflow. And so as you can see, I just set mine up the other day. Very, very simple to do. So you just do create a new workflow over here on the top right, and then you want to set up what the name of it is called. So like for me, it's TikTok to Instagram story. Again, this could be YouTube Shorts to Instagram story. It could be Facebook group to Instagram story. It could be whatever you want this source video to be. So I just named it this one. And then you want to choose a source. So for me, it's TikTok. And then I only have one TikTok account connected. So you just press next. Very simple. Simple to use. And then what you want to do is the upload video. Then you want the full video. You don't want snippets of the video. You want the full one. So you press next. And then you just choose the destination. So then you push Instagram. And then you want to choose whatever Instagram account. Let's see, wrong one. And then instead of Reels or Feed, you just simply click Stories. And then you press Done. And so when you press Done, your workflow should now be there. And if you go down to here, to the TikTok to Instagram story, you can click the little settings button, and you can do any intricate settings. If you want you to have a permanent intro to your video, you can have an outro. You can add a fade out at the end of the video. You can choose to remove hashtags from source or not. I just do that. And then you can only, if you want, you can exclude certain videos. Let's say that you don't want some videos to be on there. So all you have to do is put a certain hashtag in your TikTok video, for example, and then it will not go to Instagram. And then when you're done, you just press save. And so for me, I have it on automatic because I just want it to go like without me ever thinking. So I have mine set to automatic, and that means everything starting from yesterday when I started this workflow will be automatically made into an Instagram story. So it's that easy. And so that's why I love Repurpose, because if you look at it right now, just from one TikTok video, my video is going to Snapchat, Facebook page, Google Drive, my normal Instagram reel, my Instagram story now, LinkedIn, Pinterest ideas, Twitter, and YouTube Shorts. So you're getting so much bang for buck for just one video. Thank you for joining us today on learning how to automatically use Repurpose with your Instagram stories. Let me know if you'll be using this content strategy in your business. And if you have any more questions, leave them down below. And if not, we'll see you in the next one.